This SOP is applicable for code transfer of same material from one code to another and to carry out additional testing of APIs, excipients and drug products. Department head and QA head shall be accountable for implementation of this SOP. Item codes which are vendor-specific shall not be subjected for code-to-code transfer from any other codes. Material item codes under retesting shall not be referred for transfer in other codes. Based on the requirement, stores shall raise a code transfer of materials request, reanalysis request and submit to QA along with approved COA of existing code material. Assigning of requisition number of code transfer of material. Code transfer number shall be assigned by stores and log shall be maintained. Requisition number of code transfer of material shall be configured in auto number configuration. After QA approval on code transfer for material officer, stores shall send the request to QC for sampling and testing on code transfer of materials request. Additional test request and subsequently required quantity for sample shall be updated in the alpha to generate the AR number. And updating of this quantity. In stock ledger 2, transfer of the material between the different codes of the same material having different brand or compendial status shall be done only if it meets the required specifications or pharmacopoeia. Number of containers required with respect to quantity needs to be updated in the GRN to generate the numbers of labels. QC shall collect the samples as per compliance of the respective SOP along with a copy of code transfer of materials request. Additional test request and shall arrange for analysis as per the proposed specification. Those parameters which are different from already approved materials or testing method is different, shall be tested during code transfer. QC shall maintain the copy of approved code transfer of materials request, reanalysis along with complete report. Approved label shall be affixed on each container by QC personnel. Thus all containers in a consignment of the approved material shall display approved stickers separately of the two codes until quantity remain in existence of the batch. To create a code-to-code transfer, click Module, and then click Stores, click Issue and finally click Code-to-Code Transfer Reanalysis. This module is the combined module of code-to-code transfer and reanalysis. Type can be selected from either code-to-code transfer or reanalysis. If code-to-code transfer is selected, the 2-item code should be selected. If reanalysis is selected, 2-item code will disappear from this module. Here I am selecting code-to-code transfer. Code-to-code transfer number will appear automatically based on auto number configuration. The code transfer date can be selected by clicking the Date Picker button and selecting the Date. The Help button next to the item code can be clicked to view the list of items. The desired item to which the stock has to be transferred should be selected. Rest of the details will be fetched automatically. The Help button next to the 2-item code will give a list of alternate items entered in the alternate item master. Please refer alternate item master help video for more details. The quantity transfer column should be filled with the desired quantity. Describe the deviation details. The Save button saves the code-to-code transfer document. After saving this document, an email will be sent to the Quality Assurance Department stating about the code-to-code transfer. To approve the code-to-code transfer document, click Approval, click Quality Assurance and finally click Code-to-Code Transfer and Reanalysis. To view the code-to-code transfer document, click View. To view the COA of the previous item, click COA. To approve this code-to-code transfer, click Approve, and then click Approve button. After approval of the QA, this document can be received back in stores and receipt process can be followed. To receive back the new item code, click Module, click Stores, click Receipt, click Goods Receipt Note. The GRN type should be selected as code-to-code transfer. GRN number will be updated automatically based on the auto number code-to-code transfer configuration. GRN date can be picked from the Date Picker button. The Help button next to the item code lists the approved code-to-code documents. The desired code-to-code transfer document can be selected, while the details will be fetched back from the old goods receipt note. The item can be added and this GRN can be saved for further process. Visit our website www.alfie.in.